Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some no enhancement tab in Windows sound setting on Windows 11. So how to fix it? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, in the search box type a device manager. Open a device manager. Click on sound, video and game controller. Select a display audio, right click on update a driver, search automatically from drivers, click and close it. Once again, click on update driver, click on browse my computer from drivers, click on let me pick from a list available driver on my computer, select it, click on next button, click to yes to continue and close it. After that, select a second one, click on update driver, search automatically from drivers, click on search and update driver on Windows Update. If any available, then click on install now. Click on check and update. If any updates available, then download and install in your PC. After that, right click on update driver, select a browse my computer from, click on let me pick from a list available driver on my computer, select it, click on next button. After updating your driver, restart your computer, and after restarting that, go to your search menu and type mmsy mmsys.cpl. So open it, click on a speakers, go to your properties, and here now you can see data enhancement tabs is now. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.